Hey guys, Chris here with Worksport truck bed covers. Today we're going to show you how to install our brand new alignment clips for our AL3 hard folding truck bed covers. No tools will be needed today for this install. Let's get started. Before installation, let's take a closer look at these. You can notice that there's going to be ears and tabs on each set of the male and female side of these alignment clips. And once they install and are on the bed cover, when you fold the cover back, they will interlock with each other. Step one, take the old alignment clip and push it towards the center of the cover. No need to remove it. Step two, grab the male alignment clip. You can take a look here that you have your ears and tabs. The ears are going to set in this channel right with the rubber hinge, and the tabs are going to snap on the back side of this ledge right here. Step three, grab the female alignment clip, and you can take a look that we have ears and tabs on this one as well. These ears are going to grip on the top side, and the tabs will snap on the bottom side here. Repeat installation on the opposite side. When you fold your cover back, you can see that these will automatically engage with each other. Thanks for watching today's video on us reviewing our alignment clips. If you'd like a set for your AL3, give us a call at 1-888-554-8789, or you can shoot us an email at customerservice@worksport.com. Thanks guys, and have a great day.